You guys like my hair? Isn't it cute? I call this one hiding the bangs, but also looking like a kindergartner. It's a fun look, isn't it? Today, oh, sorry, that's my boobular tubulars. Today, we're making muffins. There's really no other explanation for that, except for I'm allergic to like everything. These muffins are like everything free. Here's the other fun part. I don't have a recipe, so we're just gonna kind of throw shit in a bowl and just hope something happens. And if it doesn't, well, you win some, you lose some. What you say? We're gonna do, what are we doing? I don't have a plan. I just knew I was making muffins. Okay, like bear with me. Sweet potato banana. Again, we're just gonna throw shit in a bowl. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know what the hell that was. Actually, you know what? We're just gonna do the banana. Like if this doesn't work out, then we can always go the sweet potato route. You know what I mean? So yeah. Oh, I should probably like preheat the oven. Sorry, our oven's broken. Alright, we're starting with 1 mashed banana. In my heart, that's the right thing to do. Let me actually think about this. So these muffins are going to be vegan, gluten-free, paleo, nut-free. Oh, and they're for sure vegetarian. They're not going to have any meat in there. Okay, so now we're adding bae. This is sunflower seed butter. I eat too much sunflower seed butter. I literally had a dream the other night, you guys. I had a dream that I was eating baby carrots with sunflower butter. I don't know why I shared, but I think I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons. We need Frankenstein. I'm the only one eating this. I'm trying to think of like other like liquid ingredients. Yes. Okay, just to make them fun and funky, I'm gonna add half a thing of applesauce because I saw it in the fridge and that's just what I'm gonna use. So why not, you know? Oh, vanilla. Okay, you guys, if you want things to taste like freshly baked cookies, you have to add almond extract. Almond extract is really just the cherry on top of everything. Okay. Coconut milk? Like, I guess half a cup. Why not? Maybe like a little bit more, like just like for fun. I don't know. Mix it. Should I like taste it? Tastes promising. Alright. Okay. Now that I'm done dancing with the fridge. Okay. So now it's time for our dry ingredients, and this is where Jasmine goes. I do feel confident about our chemical ingredients here. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon baking soda and 2 teaspoons baking powder. These hoes don't have eggs in them. Oh yeah, they're egg free. Fun! Okay, next we're adding cinnamon because it's almost 12 times, bitches. So I put cinnamon in literally everything. Like people are like, did you put cinnamon in that? And I'm like, yeah, I put cinnamon in everything. So cocaine. Next, because this recipe doesn't have eggs, we're gonna use ground flax meal. Always the go-to. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just gonna add the rest of this. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. I'm gonna add just like a tablespoon of coconut oil. I literally don't know if that'll do anything. Like what bad could it be? I don't know how much flour. This is oat flour. We make our own oat flour here in our home because we are hippies. So maybe I'll do like 1 1/2 or 1 3/4. Yes. No. Yeah. Because then I'm gonna add a scoop of protein powder. Like, I don't know. Okay, what else am I missing? Think, Jasmine. Think hard. 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Smells fire. Okay, so now I'm gonna just like add this. I'm just gonna like mix it. Guess what? I have seen this on Instagram where people will add sparkling water to help with the veganization process. So I'm gonna add half a cup of sparkling water and we'll just like see what happens. This whole recipe is just like, will something happen? I don't know. I think they're gonna be pretty good. That tastes, whoa, pretty spectacular. Oh my God. Look at what I found. You already fucking know. You already know. We don't need to explain any further. You already know exactly what's happening here. Zebra banana muffins, bitch. I went through a phase in like 6th grade where I was like, animal print, hell yeah. Animal print seems to be back in. I'm feeling a little bit upset that maybe my fashion taste would have been more appreciated had I been living in this time, day, and age. That one's like fucked, but like it's fine. It's like getting puffy muffins. The one thing that I am proud of that I did over quarantine was force myself to like bananas. I used to be a banana hater, and bananas hated me. Let's just say a lot of air would escape my lower half after eating bananas when I was younger, so I avoided them like my whole life. And I was trying to avoid embarrassing myself because I was already an embarrassment to society in general. Farting constantly wasn't gonna help that. But I was like, you know what, Jasmine, you are at home. Now's your time. Now is your time to really embrace whatever feelings may come with eating bananas and really force yourself to like them. And you know what? Every day I just ate like half a banana. No gas was escaping me. And here we are. And I'm a banana lover now. So I guess my point in telling you that story is just anything's possible. Anything is possible if you set your mind to it, even if that includes forcing yourself to like bananas. Just know I'm here to support your dreams if you support mine. Okay, so this made exactly 12, like exactly 12. I'm really proud of myself. I'm kind of a superstar, and I think Bobby Flay needs to watch out for becoming for his brand. I think we're gonna do 15, 20, 17 minutes. 17 minutes, and we're gonna see how they're doing. I think I'm proud of myself. I think they're gonna turn out really good, but we'll see in 17 minutes. So, how are you guys doing? I miss you. Well, like, here's the thing. I feel like we're just like long lost friends. It's like we're long distance. I need you to update me how you're doing. How is school going? Have you started school yet? Maybe you're like me, maybe you're not in school. What are you doing if you're not in school? Like, what's poppin'? Tell me everything. I wanna know everything. Just pour your heart, your mind, your body, and your soul into the comments section. Please don't go back and watch that again. Nobody should have to see that. So, I'm the muffin master. Guys, look at these things. Great. Okay, now we're gonna try one. Wow, look at how special this is. First of all, just the wrappers already give these an 11 out of 10. Color, 10 out of 10. Big banana bread vibes. Here we go. You could gaze into the future. Oh my god. Holy shit. How did I do this? I can't handle it. If you're gonna make this recipe, they are lacking a little bit of sweetness. I would add like a little bit more coconut sugar or a little bit of maple syrup or something. I am gonna add a little bit of honey so that if you do add extra sweetener, I can give you my full review. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. They do need a little bit more cinnamon. See what that tastes like. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have no words. I'm so pleased with myself. I'm sliding into the splits. Ow! I can't believe I did that. It's incredible. Okay, well, I have to do my outro holding my cutest one. Thank you for making muffins with me. If you want the recipe, I'm gonna include it shortly. Just like hold on one more second while I appreciate you. I love you, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thanks for hanging out with me. See you later, alligator.